Your life is a garden, and every morning is another chance to water what you want to see grow. Welcome, beautiful soul. This morning is a gentle space to begin your day in gratitude and abundance. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Whether sitting upright or lying down. Let your eyes gently close. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. And exhale softly through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply. And release. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive here in this quiet, present moment. Let the noise of yesterday fade. Let the thoughts about today wait. Right now, just be here with your breath, your body, and this stillness. Feel the surface beneath you. Solid, supportive, grounding. Sense how your breath naturally rises and falls. No need to change anything. Simply observe. With each inhale, invite in calm and clarity. With each exhale, let go of tension. Your shoulders soften. Your jaw unclenches. Your body begins to relax. You are safe. You are held. You are here. Now, gently bring your awareness to your body, this vessel that carries you through the world. Begin at the top of your head and slowly scan down. Thank your eyes for letting you see beauty. Thank your ears for hearing the world's quiet music. Your mind for thinking, imagining, learning. your heart beating without asking. Your lungs breathing life into you. Your arms and hands for all they hold and create. Your belly for its strength and softness. Your legs and feet for walking you through every day. Every part of you deserves your thanks. Even the tired parts. Even the sore parts. This is your body. It has brought you here. Let it feel your gratitude. Now, gently bring your awareness to this morning. A new beginning, a fresh page. What are you grateful for right now? It doesn't have to be big. It might be the quiet. A soft pillow. A loved one still sleeping peacefully. The breath in your lungs. The stillness. The fact that you have made time for yourself today. In your mind, say softly, I am grateful for, and complete the sentence with whatever comes to heart. Let each word bring a soft warmth to your chest. Let it expand. Let that gratitude flow through you like sunlight touching every cell. Now, from this place of appreciation, let us welcome abundance. Abundance is already within you. You don't need to chase it. Just make space for it. Silently repeat these affirmations. I am open to receiving abundance today. I trust life to support me. I am aligned with joy, love, and flow. imagine your day unfolding with ease. Conversations that flow. Ideas that light you up. People who uplift you. Time that expands. Feel the possibility of it all. You are ready to receive. You are already enough. And from that knowing, more good things will come. Now, take a moment to set a gentle intention for the day. What do you want to carry in your heart as you move through this morning? This afternoon, this evening. It could be one word. Calm, clarity, joy, presence, or a phrase. I will move with ease. I will notice beauty. I will be kind to myself. Hold that intention gently. Let it settle deep inside you. Take a deep breath and breathe life into your intention. Exhale, grounding it into your day. Feel your breath again. Feel your body resting peacefully. Feel your heart, full, steady, open. You have begun your day in gratitude. You are open to abundance. Everything you need is already within you. One last breath, deep and intentional. And as you exhale, silently say, "Thank you, I am ready." Gently begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes, roll your shoulders, and when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this gratitude with you through the day, and let abundance find you where you are.